I'm very passionate about what we do here at Larson Electronics. We make different lighting products, everything from a handheld light all the way up to a mega tower, a lighting solution for, say, the oil field.
Those places need special lighting because they require certain certifications, basically saying this light is safe enough to use where spark might cause an explosion.
We have between 20 and 30,000 parent SKUs, and we make every component that goes into the final SKU. It flows through our facility from machining to fabrication to assembly, and then it's ready for crating or shipping. So we need a way to track the BOMs, what we call the bill of material, that gives you the breakdown of what it takes to assemble that product. So it includes the labor that we use, the overhead that we use, all the way down to a screw, so that we know what is our cost associated with that SKU. While we were making guesses before, now with QuickBooks Enterprise, we know exactly how much it costs. Time is our most valuable resource. However long it takes you to complete the order will determine your success. All the different reporting, all the ability to track inventory, the ability to send information to a smartphone, QuickBooks has it in Enterprise. Larson Electronics has over 100 employees. We're actually building a new $3 million facility across the road. We are growing, and this is a good thing, and we plan to use Enterprise all the way through, step by step.